Today's group drive is called Glorious Tesla Drive for good reason. For those of you who live in and around Brisbane probably know about Mount Glorious. It's a nice mountain drive. For those who ride motorcycles surely will know, and if you don't ride motorcycle you will, because it's a beautiful area. We are heading there. We'll do a Rainforest loop walk, a beautiful natural environment. Then we'll go and have lunch and then drive down Sanford to Sanford Village. So nice half day with you all guys, friends and enthusiasts of electric cars, and this is how it went. Very nice day in a group of you guys. Thanks very much for everyone for coming along, and it worked out really well. Everything, parking wherever we showed up, the food was good. If this is your very first time to this channel, consider subscribing. It's free. It helps this channel grow. And if you did like this video, click on like and share it with your friends who might find it interesting and who might be interested in joining us next time. So we look forward to seeing you next time. On behalf of Hannah and myself, on behalf of Tesla owners and fans Brisbane.